Turkey has once again demonstrated its ambition to develop modern military technology through a series of intensive tests of its latest unmanned aerial vehicle, the K2 Kamikaze İHA. This project has garnered global attention as it reflects significant progress in the Turkish defense industry and reinforces the country's position as a leading player in the development of next-generation combat drones. The K2 Kamikaze İHA is designed as an unmanned aircraft with high-precision strike capabilities. Unlike conventional drones, which return to base after a mission, this kamikaze system is designed to directly engage targets while carrying an explosive payload. In terms of design, the K2 Kamikaze İHA features an aerodynamic structure designed to increase speed and maneuverability. Its relatively lightweight allows for flexible launch from both ground vehicles and portable platforms. This flexibility provides significant tactical advantages, especially in military operations, requiring high mobility. This drone is capable of autonomously identifying targets, using advanced sensors and data processing algorithms. This technology allows operators to minimize direct intervention, thereby reducing the risk of human error while increasing operational efficiency on the battlefield. Furthermore, the K2 is equipped with an encrypted communication system that ensures data security. During missions, this is crucial given the increasingly complex threats of electronic warfare. With protection against signal interference and hacking attempts, this drone is able to continue performing its duties optimally. The K2 is equipped with a GPS-based navigation system, combined with an inertial navigation system. This combi ensures the drone can operate stably, even in the face of signal interference. Furthermore, responsive remote control allows operators to monitor field conditions directly via real-time video. Compared to traditional weapon systems, the K2 Kamikaze İHA offers a more cost-effective solution. Despite its relatively low price, this drone is still capable of delivering a significant impact on targets. This makes it a strategic choice in modern conflicts that demand efficiency without compromising on attack power. The presence of drones, like the K2, is changing the paradigm of warfare. Military operations are increasingly relying on automated technology to reduce risks to personnel. Furthermore, its high-precision strike capability helps minimize collateral damage beyond the primary target. In recent months, Turkish defense authorities have conducted dozens of tests on the K2 Kamikaze İHA. These tests covered a variety of scenarios, from flight stability testing and navigation system resilience to strike accuracy against both moving and stationary targets. Initial results show promising performance, with a high success rate in achieving designated targets. Turkey itself has long invested in the development of military drones. Previous success in producing and exporting various types of UAVs has provided a strong foundation for the K2 project. With this experience, Turkish engineers have been able to combine proven technology with new innovations to create a more sophisticated and adaptive system that meets the needs of modern warfare. However, the development of kamikaze drones like the K2 has also sparked considerable international debate. Some have highlighted the potential misuse of this technology, particularly in conflicts involving civilian areas. Concerns about the ethics of using artificial intelligence in weapons systems have also become increasingly relevant. However, the Turkish government has emphasized that the use of this technology will remain within the framework of applicable international law. On the other hand, the presence of the K2 Kamikaze İHA could change the dynamics of military strategy. In various regions, other countries will likely be encouraged to develop similar technology to maintain the balance of power. This has the potential to trigger a new arms race in the field of combat drones, which will ultimately affect global security stability. From an economic perspective, this project also has a positive impact on Turkey's domestic defense industry. Future mass production of the K2 is expected to create new jobs and increase the export capacity of military technology. With the growing global demand for drone systems, Turkey has a significant opportunity to expand its international market share. Going forward, development of the K2 Kamikaze İHA is not expected to stop at its current stage. Developers will likely continue to enhance the drone's capabilities, including extending its operational range, increasing battery life, and developing a swarm system that allows multiple drones to work in coordination on a single mission. This swarm concept is considered the future of unmanned aerial warfare because it can deliver a more massive and difficult to counterattack effect. Overall, the dozens of tests of the K2 Kamikaze İHA mark a significant step in the evolution of Turkish military technology. The success of this project not only demonstrates technical progress, but also reflects the country's long-term strategy of strengthening defense self-sufficiency with a combination of innovation, experience, and continued investment. Turkey looks set to remain a force to be reckoned with in the world of modern military technology.